and this be your boy Z from the A to Z. Y'all already know it's we. Back with another reaction. You feel saying it's just me today, you know. Y'all didn't pay the money, so I told her just to chill out for a minute. You feel me? Let me talk to you. You know what I'm saying? The last time I checked, I'm thinking it was about 300K. Y'all gonna make me send them wops on you. You feel what I'm saying? Them dogs on you. You feel me? Stop playing. But anyway, we checking out another video. But before we get started in this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe on the channel. Stop playing. What are you doing? I am him. I told y'all every time y'all come, I am him. Stop playing. But it ain't even about me. It's about Mother Nature today. You feel what I'm saying? It's 70 times that Mother Nature got angry and it was caught on camera. You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna scroll on down to the video. Being right there. Let's get started. I ain't even got my headphones on. What the heck going on?
Hey everyone, when Mother Nature gets angry, all the elements rise up to deliver breathtaking and terrifying images. Thunder, tornadoes, landslides, floods. This video is a powerful reminder that in the end, we're all at nature's mercy. Are you ready? Let's go. In India, this driver was shocked to find the road completely cut off. But stepping out of his car, he had no idea what he was about to witness.
Oh my God! गया 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 नीचे से गया 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 सब गया है वो इधर गया ये go. Oh.
That's crazy.
Oh, oh. My God. Yeah.
See, I ain't trying to.
Oh my God.
I ain't trying to live nowhere like that. You know what I'm saying? That's crazy. Lost the whole road. I hope everything convenient on their side.
God.
This storm chaser managed to capture an absolutely stunning shot. A true monster of power, filmed in Alberta, Canada.
Oh my God, there's so much debris, guys. Not good.
It's crazy. I wonder, that's just me thinking, I'm wondering when, like, if people get caught up in one of them, y'all ever seen The Wizard of Oz? Do they like still be alive just looking at that stuff just going on? Right? That's crazy.
Boy, if you don't...
That's...
We gotta go check the houses, guys.
Yeah.
Oh my God, so much debris in there. It hit something, guys.
Why are y'all driving towards it?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Is it leaving or is it coming?
This tornado enthusiast takes insane risks just to capture these shots. Filmed right in North Dakota.
Not I. Not I. That's crazy. Dang. Took the whole house with him.
This is the kind of destruction these events can cause, wiping out a house in just a few seconds.
Then it shot back down. Dang. That's crazy. Too close. And then you get out the car. was you in? What? They on a bike or a scooter? They on a bike or a scooter? That's crazy. Yeah, they on a scooter. Get out of there. Hey. Why do they stay over there? Get out the way. Come on, get out the way. Y'all, why y'all over there? Like, the first time for me, if I would have seen that, I was like, yep, it's time to uproot, time to go on somewhere, cause ain't no way, like, it's other parts of the world that you can go to. I'm just saying. That's for real. Yeah.
Totally surreal scenes in Texas. A full house floating on water until
House is its own boat. Stop it.
it crashes straight into the shoreline.
Oh, there's a cat in there.
Did he just say a cat was in there?
There's a cat.
Dang. Right at the bridge. That's crazy.
Connor, come on back.
They recording it and walking back at the same time. How long have you been there?
Water rises by several meters in just seconds, and there's nothing they can do except watch nature unleash its fury.
Oh, y'all just out there. Shit.
Yeah. Connor.
That's crazy.
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some. Holy shit! Back up, Brad! Brad, back up! Back up, Brad! Back up! Back up!
That's crazy. Damn, what a dog at? Dog just up in the debris. Shoot, there you go. Shake it off.
Under the pressure of the water, this dam doesn't stand a chance, and it hurls hundreds of tons of rocks into the air.
Dang. That's crazy. So nobody went down. Now that's crazy. That's crazy.
A la madre. A la verga.
A la vera.
Y se va de todo ese cachura.
That's crazy.
In Colombia, this cameraman risks everything to capture this insane moment. An entire section of the mountain collapsed.
Wouldn't been me.
collapses under its own
See
weight.
that now. Now y'all want to run.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Last minute, I would have been somewhere drinking a margarita on the hill looking at it. You feel me? Ain't no way I'm going to wait down until it got dark. It's falling. That's crazy. People, that's crazy. You wouldn't need to run if you was already gone. Crazy.
Se vino todo, manzanareños.
Mananero.
Oh, impresionante esta weá, weón.
Here's another kind of disaster, the icy kind. This stunning avalanche catches a group of amateur climbers off guard, and up close, it's suddenly not so beautiful anymore.
Oh,
That's so kind.
nunca pensé ver una avalancha en vivo y en directo.
Is that ice falling? I never been around an avalanche, like just been around it, but is that ice or that's just like the dust, like the mist from the ice that's sliding down the hill? You know what I'm saying? Drop your comments, I don't know.
A deleitarse con esto, señores. ¿Tú crees que sí? Oh, oh. Wow. Wow.
That's crazy. Getting close. Look like clouds, you know what I'm saying?
¿Dónde está?
See what I'm saying? Last minute. Last minute. That's crazy.
Oh, loco. Menos mal que no íbamos bajando, weón.
It might be a little dust.
Esta va por ahí. Concha tu madre, está por ahí.
Look like a whole bunch of clouds.
Oh.
That's crazy.
Absolutely stunning spectacle.
My question is, where the ice come from? I'm just saying, that's my question. I don't know. Ooh. Why do you stay there? That is when it gets me. Why did you stay there? Hey man, this here. Stop playing. We're gonna get on to something more funny because it felt like I was falling asleep. I'm gonna just keep it real with you. You feel what I'm saying? That didn't really hit me like it need to hit me. You feel what I'm saying? I'm gonna just keep it 1,000 with you. You feel me? So we're gonna go on to the next one. And yes, I'm going to post it. This is my real reaction. Stop playing like I'm not gonna post it. Why are y'all even here? I be your boy Z. Hey, she should. Hey, check us out, man. Make sure y'all like and subscribe on the video, man. Y'all gonna get the real hill. You feel what I'm saying? Y'all gonna get the real hill. You feel what I'm saying? Yeah, why are y'all here? Get the hell.